In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Reddit. If you want Reddit's interface to appear in a different language, the process is quick and simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along on your own screen without any confusion. To begin, go to your Reddit home dashboard. This is the main page you see after signing in, where your feed, navigation options, and account controls are available. Starting from the home dashboard makes it easier to access the settings menu without having to search through different pages. Once you're on the Reddit homepage, move to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This opens the account menu where Reddit keeps shortcuts to personal options, account tools, and settings. If you don't immediately see everything, just look for the drop-down menu that appears after clicking your profile. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the area where you can control how Reddit looks and behaves for your account. Settings can include a lot of options, so don't worry if the page seems busy at first. We're only focusing on the language section. After that, click the Preferences tab. This is where Reddit stores display-related options and other customization features. If you're trying to change how the platform appears visually or functionally, this is usually the right place to be. Now look for the Display Language option. Next to it, you'll see an arrow. Click that arrow to open the list of available languages. This dropdown lets you view the language choices Reddit currently supports for its interface. When the list opens, click on the new language you want to use. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct option, especially if you're choosing a language with a name that may appear in its native form. As soon as you select it, Reddit prepares to apply that preference to your account interface. Finally, click Done to confirm the change. This saves your new display language setting. In most cases, the update should apply right away, and you'll see Reddit's menus and interface text switch to the language you selected. If the change doesn't appear immediately, give the page a moment to refresh or reload the browser manually. That can help the new setting display properly. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language on Reddit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.